Hello, Jonathan Poma here. As a bilingual translator, I often get questions about the price of real estate in my home city of Loja, Ecuador. Here is my answer. This is what $180,000 get you in Loja. Luxury. My example is an intimate 2012 square foot, fully furnished turnkey Andean retreat designed for a local artist and her husband by one of Loja's prominent architects. Located in an exclusive contemporary cul-de-sac south of Loja's National University campus, the sloping property faces south with stunning views of Podocarpus National Park. Private but close to a main highway, it's just a 45-minute drive to Vilcabamba. The breezy floor plan has high-end finishes like sandstone ashlar cladding, marble tile floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows opening to a wide terrace spanning the full length of the residence. There are mountain views in all living areas of the house. Picture yourself having coffee every morning with Ecuador's famous Sierra peaks, or curling up on the sofa in the evening with the fireplace's warm glow. The expansive terrace is ready for an intimate dinner al fresco or a big backyard barbecue with spectacular views. European-style custom kitchen equipped with modern stainless finish appliances is ready for you to cook. The master bedroom features a large walk-in closet with built-in custom cabinets. The ensuite master bathroom has a beautiful glass-enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. The second bedroom doubles as a study. The full guest bathroom has a state-of-the-art spa-quality hydromassage jacuzzi bathtub. There are custom window shades throughout the residence, fully equipped laundry and security system. We hope you found this cost of real estate video helpful. Take a look at the companion luxury apartment video on Life in Loja's YouTube channel. If you have any questions about the cost of properties in Loja or property rentals, you are welcome to contact us anytime. We also have a very well-reviewed neighborhood tour that visitors and expats considering relocating to Loja have found very useful. Like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see future adventures of Life in Loja.